Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your WhatsApp. To fix issue with WhatsApp, you can try these following steps. You need to first check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. WhatsApp requires an active internet connection to work properly. You could also try restarting your WhatsApp. First, open it and simply close it, and this can sometimes resolve temporary issues. You could also try restarting your device. Restarting your phone can also help various software related issues, including those with WhatsApp. Or you could check for the WhatsApp update, where you have to go to the Play Store, and in the top there's a search bar and type WhatsApp and open it. And what you have to do is simply tap on the update option and ensure that you are using the latest version of the WhatsApp. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve issues. And if none of the above steps work, you could try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp from the Google Play Store as well. And if you're still experiencing issue, you can contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. This is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.